The third gen Toyota Tundra has a big problem to me. Hey everyone, welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures. My name is Shannon, again, where we try to solve problems and save you money. I've got a problem. In my 2024 Toyota Tundra, third gen Tundra, it does not come with any auxiliary plugs in the back seat. I run a refrigerator, charge batteries, run, battery units like a Jackery and stuff like that, camera batteries charging in the vehicle for me to, use throughout the camping trip or wherever we're at. All right, let's look at the challenges I'm facing. I have no auxiliary plugs on the inside. The camper takes up most of the roof space, and I've already got solar panels up there, so I don't really have anything to do up there. I can't run a auxiliary plug directly from the car battery to the back of the truck where I keep in the back seat where I keep the refrigerator, because that's going to run that battery down. What I came across was a hood solar panel. Now, I talked to the people over at Lenssunsolar, and full disclosure, they sent me a full hood solar kit to test out. What that includes, we'll get into it, but really what is going on here is a solar panel that mounts to the hood, an MTTP controller that converts everything over and being plugged directly into your car battery, a decal which then covers the hood to mount the solar panel to, because you don't want to stick this directly to your hood. And they send everything else with it that you're going to need. 3M tape, lots of it. Instructions on how to install each component here, which I was actually very impressed with, which we'll get into here in a second. Some of the great things about Lenssunsolar is they've been in business for quite a while. They build quality products, and they have a big focus on sustainability as far as materials they use and how the manufacturing processes. They actually support over 30 different vehicles, so no matter what type of vehicle you have, generally as far as off-road and SUV, you'll be able to get a custom panel fitted to that vehicle itself, so it's going to be really convenient. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It looks sloppy sometimes. It looks very neat the way they've custom fit everything in. Now, as far as their website's concerned, you can order the solar panels separately, or you can order the solar panel with the MTTP kit. All one big unit makes it very easy. We'll get into the pricing at the end of the video, so stick around for that. So what is going through all this installation, which is actually looking pretty easy, really going to give us? When connected to the truck battery, it's going to keep that battery topped off. So this panel, if the truck's parked for a long period of time, this will keep that battery up. Trucks, batteries don't like being parked and not cranked for weeks on end, which I work from home. So this is going to keep that battery up and ready to go at any time. It's also going to extend the life of that battery, because batteries, generally while driving don't really charge more than about 60% of the total capacity of an AGM style battery. So this is going to help with that as well. And if you so choose, you can actually connect this directly to a battery pack like a Jackery or an EcoFlow or something like that, because they already have MTTP controllers in it. So you can just run this if you want to and keep your portable battery system charged up. This is also going to solve one of my bigger problems. I'm running out of space on the top of my vehicle to be able to put solar panels, on the top of the camper to be able to put things. And quite frankly, that wiring is just a real challenge as well. This going on the hood is going to maximize more space that I never really even thought of using before, which is ingenious. One of the other surprising benefits that I never even thought of was the hood has a little bit of glare from it, from lights and sun and stuff like that. This actually decreases the hood glare, so because it's a non-glaring surface and it's black matte, so it's good to go. Let's get into some of the solar panel itself's key features. It's actually flexible, so you can mount it just about anywhere. It is a monocrystalline solar panel, so it has the highest efficiency basically you can get. It's a 90-watt panel, so it's plenty powerful enough. It's not like one of those small 50s or whatever you might see. It's covered with a premium ETFE film, so it's going to be really safe from not being damaged from rocks or sun, damage and stuff like that. This is really going to help out a bunch for the kind of trips we take. We're off-road a lot. Rocks, dust, light, and rain. This is going to help protect it and give it a long life. One of the key things I like is it's lightweight. This entire unit itself is 0.3 millimeters and weighs about 60% less than a regular solar panel. So this is about 5-ish pounds. That's really going to help because, you know, putting stuff on the hood and other parts of your vehicle. As an overlander, we count weight in, you know, grams sometimes to make sure that we're not, you know, overloading our vehicles or maximizing the space, limiting the weight, and being able to manage that trip, because weight is a key factor in any kind of vehicle modifications. All right, let's nerd out here on some of the details. The electrical information. Power rated at 90 watts. Solar cell efficiency is at 23.5. Maximum voltage is 17 volts. Let's see what else matters here. Net weight, 5.3 pounds. The J-Box is IP68 rated, so it's waterproof as hell. One of the things I'm impressed with is the size of this MTTP. This thing is about the size of the palm of my hand, so that's going to make installation really convenient. I'm not going to do a step-by-step installation itself because over at Gator Overland, he did such a great job. I'm going to link his video down in the information below. Now, on the instructions, it becomes very clear about how they've thought this thing completely through. You have the decal instructions, very detailed color pictures to be able to install that. You have the hood install manual for the solar panel, complete with very detailed instructions, pictures, nice and pretty. I really appreciate this because half the times I don't read it, I just look at it. And then finally, the MTTP instruction installation manual. Again, very detailed with pictures, technical information, all you need to be able to install that. Let's take a walk around the Toyota Tundra to see just how we're going to do this. All right, let's take a look at the vehicle we're going to be installing the hood solar panel on. This 24 Toyota Tundra is got a really good shaped hood. So the panel is going to fit right here perfectly. It's going to be able to seal because it's not a lot of ridges. It's going to lay flat. That's going to be good. Although it can work on a curved hood, this is going to help it lay flatter and stay down longer. Now for under the hood, this is going to be real simple. The power cables are going to come down here. I'm going to mount the MTTP probably either here or maybe on this wall right here next to this fuse. So once I connect to this battery, then I'll be able to run a power cable from here into the back of the truck and be able to put a little auxiliary plug there. The solar panel should keep this battery charged up, and then the refrigerator should not drain that battery too bad at all. I'll be monitoring that, and if it does, I'll be installing a battery back there, like a little like 50 amp hour lithium, 100 amp hour lithium, and then running it off of there. Let's go back and take a look and see how we're going to position that in the back. Okay, in the back of the truck here, I have a platform that sits here, so the refrigerator will sit on the platform. What I'll probably end up doing is running the power cable down through here into this bay here, put a battery somewhere in here, and then put the auxiliary plug right here. Now with that, it'll make it really easy. I can just plug stuff in there and hopefully be able to reach it very easy. Now once we get all this installed on the truck, we'll do a full walkthrough of everything, how it works, and how we're solving this problem of no auxiliary power outlets in the back of this $65,000 truck. Give me a break. So you can see here, we're on the Lenssunsolar website under products. They have a large amount of solar panel products, hood, RV, flexible solar panels, solar blankets, and so on. What we're looking for is the hood solar panel. You can see they support Toyota, Audi, Dodge, GM, Hummer, whatever you got. They're generally going to have a solar panel to cover your hood. Alright, we're going to choose Toyota for me. And let's see, we got 3rd gen Toyota Tundra here. And so you'll see here the solar panel only at the current time of this video is $339. Solar panel with MTTP solar controller is $418. With the decal kit and everything, it's $474. Most solar panels, or most, almost all this price, and then most decent MTTP controllers are roughly half this price. So you're really getting a good deal with all of this stuff packaged together. And the great thing about buying stuff that's packaged together from a company is they're tested together. I can't emphasize enough how much a tested equipment together is important, because if you're trying to mix and match stuff, sometimes they just don't work well together. So those are the prices as of right now for the system, plus shipping, obviously. You can go check it out. So we're excited to be able to get this installed, get it tested out. The next video is going to be the walkthrough of what we're doing for the install, and then the next video after that is going to be the long-term review of how long this lasts, how long it charges, maybe get into a little bit of technical details. If you'd like to take a look at the video of the vehicle that we're going to be installing this on, you can check out this video right here.